Hi guys, I'm Stuart Moore and this is Shorts on Plants.
How dare you?
On this short, I wanted to go over the weeping cherry. Now, this is a full-size weeping cherry. If you can look behind me, is absolutely magnificent. I look forward to seeing it every single year. This one is an absolute specimen, belongs in a botanical garden. There's 1,000 varieties of weeping cherry. Make sure you read the tags when you're picking out a weeping cherry. These things get big. If you can look in relation to their house, that's a single-story house, it's above the roof line. It would be a poor choice for a front yard tree because it does weep and it hangs down and it would block your house. So if you have enough property to offset this so you can still see this cherry and your house in the same eye line without obstructing the view of your, $250,000 house, it's probably the best idea. Weeping cherries are a great specimen. Everybody in the neighborhood looks forward to seeing them. The weeping cherry.